Wa! Me and my jowa! Wa! Luluto kami! Wa! Ayoko na! Hello everyone! Welcome to our makeshift cooking show! So today, magluluto tayo ng Christmas dish. It's a dessert galing sa UK. And it's called English Trifle. So paano natin lulutuin itong English Trifle? You can see on the screen the ingredients you need sa pagluluto. Ang una natin lulutuin ay yung jelly layer 1. First, gagawa muna tayo ng gelatin. 2 cups of water. The next one is the gelatin. And haluin nyo lang. So the next one, cocktail juice. 1 cup. Boilan natin. So the next one, mamon. So yung mamon, mini lang siya. Cut this into parang cubes. Lagay lang natin tong mamon sa glasses natin. So sakto, nagbo-boil na yung gelatin natin. This is ready. So once it's boiling, so lagay lang natin yung sugar para may konting tamis. Stir lang hanggang natunaw lahat ng sugar. So luto na yung gelatin natin. So the next step, lagyan natin yung gelatin natin sa glasses natin. Yung mga English trifle, normally may alak sila. Oh, konti lang. Sobrang konti lang talaga. Dahil pala natira.
Talaga?
Sayang yung alak eh. So next step, lagay lang natin sa refrigerator para we let it set. The next na gagawin natin is a custard layer. First, kailangan natin mag-heat ng milk. 1 cup of milk. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Tapos haluin lang natin until it dissolves. Tapos, lagyan lang natin ng vanilla extract. Kinakabahan. Ayan, mga 2 lang. Haluin lang natin. And let it simmer. We need to separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Carefully. Crack mo yung egg. Oh my gosh. Hala. And then, oh my gosh. Ah! Ayan, it's success. It's 1 tablespoon of sugar pa din. So, and let's just whisk. Okay, that's done. Ilipat ko lang tong milk sa bowl. So, paunti-unti lang. Lagyan natin yung milk gradually para hindi maluto yung egg. Pour back this mixture sa slow cooker natin. Just continuously stir kasi once mag-boil siya, sobrang bilis niya mag-thicken dahil sa cornstarch. And tada! Thick na siya. And it smells so good. The next is just to cling wrap it. We'll just let it cool down. Ayan, so done na yung custard layer 2 natin. So okay na, nag-solidify na yung gel natin. We'll pipe the custard into these glasses. Kunwari piping. We just need to press yung custard against the glass. Okay. Ayan, so done na yung layer 2 natin. I love it. For our layer 3, we're gonna need strawberries. And then yung natirang jelly. Tapos, we're just gonna cut it into little pieces. And I think it's done. So, i-layer na natin tong jelly. Lagyan na natin to sa ating glasses. Lagyan natin yung strawberry. Ayan, done na yung 3 layers natin. Last layer is the whipped cream. Ingredients natin is the Alaska all-purpose cream. So, 1/2 cup lang. And then put sa whisking bowl, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, vanilla extract, isang patak lang. And then, whisk lang natin. Okay, layer it. So, ayan na. Tapos na siya. Yung 4 layers. So, lagyan lang natin siya ng topping, which is strawberry also. Okay, so it's done. Look! We're gonna put it back muna sa refrigerator before tasting it. Okay?